Have you ever thought it was impossible to make over $100 in less than 30 minutes of work? Well, it's not as hard as it sounds, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it using free tools. Hi, my name is Ava, and in this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through a simple method that helped me make money quickly. Step 1. Using Google News first, head over to Google and search for Google News. You can do this by simply going to news.google.com. Once you're there, you can browse through the latest news stories. Keep this tab open, as we'll use it later to find some valuable information for the content you're going to create. Step 2. Open Google Docs. Next, you'll want to open Google Docs by searching for docs.google.com or just searching for Google Docs on Google. This will allow you to start a blank document where you'll craft your content. Having your work organized here will make the next steps easier. Step 3. Sign up for ChatGPT. The third step is signing up for ChatGPT, which is available for free at chatgpt.com. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can generate written content on nearly any topic you can think of. We're going to use it in combination with another free app to produce some unique and engaging articles based on real-world events. Step 4. Utilize Google's Gemini app. Now here's where things get interesting. You'll want to access a free app from Google called Gemini at gemini.com. This app can give you a treasure trove of article ideas, many of them based on bizarre and fascinating real events. What you need to do is enter a specific prompt into the Gemini app, which will generate article ideas for you. You can adjust the variables in the prompt to customize the results for the type of content you want to create. For example, one of the ideas I got was about exploding whales. That's a pretty wild topic, right? It's unique, intriguing, and likely to catch people's attention. This kind of is exactly what we're looking for, because it can engage readers who are looking for something out of the ordinary. Step 5. Generate a blog post using ChatGPT. Once you've got your article idea, copy it and head back to ChatGPT. Ask it to write a 2,000-word blog post on the topic you've chosen. In my case, I asked it to write about exploding whales, and I also made sure to include the main keyword, exploding whales, several times throughout the article. Specifically, you can instruct ChatGPT to repeat the keyword every 500 words to ensure it's SEO-friendly and optimized for search engines. Step 6. Find relevant images. To make your article even more engaging, you'll need some visuals. Head back to Google and search for images related to the topic you're writing about. For example, I searched for images of the exploding whales event. Once you find an image that you like, simply right-click on it, select Save Image As, and download it to your computer. Adding a few high-quality images can significantly boost the overall appeal of your content. Step 7. Submit your article to paying websites. At this point, you've got a complete article with visuals, but how do you monetize it? One option is to submit your article to websites that pay for unique and interesting content. For example, a site called Long Reads will pay up to $500 for blog articles or personal essays. All you need to do is submit your article via email along with a catchy title, and you could potentially get paid for your work. Step 8. Search for similar articles. If you prefer a quicker route to earning money, there's another option. Go back to Google and search for articles on the same topic you've just written about. For instance, when I searched for exploding whales, I found several relevant blog articles. You'll use this information in the final step. Step 9. Shorten the article link. Using Linksly. Here's where you can earn money without anyone having to buy anything. There's a platform called Linksly, which pays you to shorten links. When someone clicks on one of your shortened links, they'll be shown a few ads. After they skip the ads, Linksly will split the ad revenue with you. So even if people don't spend any money, you still get paid just for the clicks. To get started, go to linksly.com and create an account. After signing up, paste the link to the blog article you found earlier into the Linksly platform and click Shorten. Linksly will give you a shortened version of the link, which you can now share. Every time someone clicks on it and sees the ads, earn a little extra money. Now for step 10. Once you've gathered your content and shortened links, head over to medium.com, click on the right button to start a new blog post. You'll want to take the article generated by ChatGPT, which is really just a concise introduction to the broader topic, and upload it here. Most blog articles tend to be brief and don't delve deep into the event or story. That's where your content comes in handy. You can simply insert your shortened link to the full story which you found via Google and add a call to action. Mention that readers can check out the complete article for free by clicking on your link. To make sure it stands out, I suggest bolding this call to action and inserting it between multiple lines in the post. This way, as readers go through your brief introduction, they'll notice your bolded link that takes them to the full, more detailed story. You'll be able to monetize it when they click through. Step 11. After you've finished setting up your Medium post, it's time to get some extra exposure. For this, you'll want to create an account on Imgur. This platform has hundreds of millions of users, which makes it an excellent place to get free traffic. Once you sign up, click on New Post, the image you found earlier on Google. You'll use this image as the visual anchor for your post. Now switch back to your Medium post and copy the link. Paste this link below the image on Imgur. So when people see the image and want to learn more, they can click the link and get redirected to your full blog article on Medium. The title of the post should match the blog article title for consistency. Once you've done that, publish the post on Imgur for free. By doing this, you're exposing your blog article to millions of potential readers, increasing the chances of getting clicks on your link. Besides these tactics, you can also sell the articles you create. Platforms like Contra allow users to make anywhere from $25 to $50 per hour, selling writing services, including blog articles. Many freelancers on Contra have been able to get steady work, making sales worth $75 per hour or even higher. If you're interested in offering your writing services, Contra is an excellent option to explore. There's also iWorkWell, another free platform where writers can earn over $100 per blog article. On top of that, Copyhackers pays up to $1,000 per blog post. While earning from writing articles is a great side hustle, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.